Hey guys, just trying to get the stream up on Kick for no other reason than I just want to be on Kick. But yeah, it looks like it's working. Maybe if you're on Kick, just check me out on YouTube if the stream is no bueno. But today we are gonna go and try. We're gonna try sign up to the Bullet XYZ platform. See how that goes. Yeah, we're gonna see how that goes, I think. So we will see. Kind of want to stream to Kick as well, but it's dead. It's dead. It's no bueno. They don't wanna. They don't want to give me a high quality stream. Okay. Anyway, it's fine. All right. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to Gemini. Sadly, everything I do is basically AI. So okay. What do I want to do? To Bullet XYZ and start using the test. Let's go for that. Yeah, so just gonna ask Gemini what to do basically, and we'll see what it sort of spits back out. Yeah, so we need backpack. So we need backpack wallet. However, other popular Solana platform software. We'll go with backpack wallet. Crypto wallet. Okay, obviously, just FYI, anyone who's looking to hack me, I will probably not be putting too much money into this stuff. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, maybe that'll do it for kick. Will it do it for kick? Should do the trick. Okay, maybe that'll do it for kick. Will it do it for kick? Should do the trick. All right, well, that's us done. Okay, cool. So streaming. All right, let's get back to it, guys. Sorry about that. I was just messing about on the kick stream because I want to try blow this channel up as much as possible. Okay, cool. So streaming. All right. So let's get Bullet XYZ back at it. Sorry about that. So we got the messing about on down. So we went to the Chrome store. We got the backpack. Backpack wallet essentially. Try blow this channel up as much as possible. Create new wallet. This might be too good. Bullet XYZ. What do I want? Solana. Set up wallet. All right, just get this off screen, guys. Sorry. We got the backpack. Backpack wallet essentially. Try blow this channel up as much as possible. Create new wallet. This might be too good. Bullet XYZ. What do I want? Solana. Set up wallet. Alright, just get this off screen, guys. Sorry. Cool. So set up a password. I'm assuming there's going to be some sort of MetaMask. Usually there's some sort of what do I want? Solana. Set up wallet. Usually there's some sort of cool. So set up a password. What do you call it? Like the dictionary passcode, like a password for your dictionary. Usually there's some sort of what do I want? Solana. Set up wallet. Sort of cool. So set up a password. What do you call it? Like the dictionary passcode, like a password for your dictionary. Usually there's some sort of what do I want? Solana. Set up wallet. Sort of cool. So set up a password. Like the dictionary passcode, like a password for your dictionary. Usually there's some sort of what do I want? Solana. Set up wallet. Sort of cool. So set up a password. Like the dictionary passcode, like a password for. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Okay, well, I'm assuming that the stream is going to start working now, so I always muck up the audio. But anyway, yeah, long story short, we signed up to the wallet of Backpack. And then, what do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Yeah. Got wallet 1. So this is the wallet. Surprisingly, it didn't ask me for... Yeah, a recovery phase. Backup recovery phase. That's what I was kind of thinking I needed. So anyway, to recover my wallet. Okay. Let me just... Sorry, guys. We're going to do this one off screen. Nope. No. Just disappeared. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Cool. And then just gonna back it up somewhere. Not gonna lie, not gonna really back it up somewhere too secure, but nonetheless, just chuck it to okay, so I kept that somewhere secure, kind of. Oh shit. Okay, well, now you guys got okay, you guys got one of the phrases, I guess. Nonetheless, I will probably not be putting much, if any, money in this one, so rest assured, even if you do hack me, you're not going to get too much. Cool. Cool. What do we got? This is the wallet. This is the wallet. So now we got the wallet. I'm assuming we're going to go to Bullet XYZ. Building Solana's trading layer. Testnet. All right, what do we got? Set up Solana. Now we have to Bullet Testnet. That's what we did. Once your wallet is set up, open your browser, go to the Bullet Testnet. While the exact URL can sometimes change, it is typically found at that. Okay, cool, good. Good stuff. Oh shit. Oh, click my own stream again. What's I meant to do? I'm 1 of 1 viewers. Okay. So you need to get the I deleted the chat feature of my OBS. Just want to check in case someone's if anyone's messaging me on the chat. I cannot see it. Let me just sorry, let me just. Damn, okay. Damn. It's like, geez. OBS it's good. It's just, it's pretty freaking, it's confusing as hell. So confusing. Docs. Oh, there we go. Chat. There we go. Okay, cool. It doesn't. All right, you can do that. Cool. All right. Well, that solves that. Oh, I can dock some stuff. Okay, I'm figuring out how to use OBS, guys. Which is good. That here. Okay. Hopefully there's no playback on this one as well. Move that bar down here. Yeah, hopefully there's no playback on this one. I've had a few issues. Okay, now we're gonna try the testnet. Simple. Don't worry, guys. I'll clip all these live streams up at some point and build a functioning thing. So cool. All right. So just approve it in the wallet. So backpack. Cool. Let's go. Let's set up your bullet trading, bullet curfew. An airdrop will fund you with mock USD and SOL to get you started. Excellent. Free airdrop of fake funds. And that's it. And we can start trading. Connect click for a share of 100k mainnet trading. Okay, I'll do that. Click for a share of 100k USD mainnet trading credits across 2 rounds. Connect and register with X to get started. All right, I'll do it with this one. So yeah, if you haven't checked it out, that's my Twitter, guys. Yeah. Cool. Now I connected my backpack wallet with this Bullet XYZ. Connected my Twitter handle. Task timed out after 10.5 seconds. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Maybe there's some sort of will that help if I anonymize my thing? Is it a Twitter thing? Is it a Twitter thing? Okay. Not sure. Okay, Bullet XYZ, guys. Check it out. Check that out. Because I don't know what the hell's going on there. But nonetheless, I assume it's anonymized. So we see here we got our own bullet address, which is this. And then what else have we got? Market orders. Market orders. Fair enough. Cumulative order. So this is saying if you do a market order, the most it can execute outside of what the price is 1%. So in Solana terms, that'd be like $1, and then if it's a stop loss, then it's like 5%. So you probably want something like 2%, I think. Sometimes markets move quickly, but 5% slippage is pretty aggressive. So what do we got? Does it tell us how much? Because we've got no money in our wallet. Do we know? Does it say, okay, so they've given us $20,000 of fake Dewey, which is cool. We've got unrealized P&L, liquidation risk, account leverage. It's a borrow and lend, the competition, which can I join now? No, I couldn't do it. I couldn't authorize Twitter. Oh, it worked. Oh, can I sign up? Or maybe it's because it's in testnet mode. There's no actual competition. Maybe that's it. Don't know. I'll snip it and send it so on. Anyway, not important. Competition, you got referrals. Oh, join the Bullet trading capital. I'm assuming this is just, yeah, I'm assuming this is not just live. Okay, cool. Yeah, so here we got our balances. So what do we got? We got 100K of USDC. We have 100K of Sol, I believe. Yeah, 65 Sol is 10K USDC. 10K of Sol, and then you can deposit, withdraw, which you obviously can't do. So yeah, that's really it. Let's give the platform a try. This is the first time I'm using this as well. Probably gonna be trading Sol. Let's just try by. Ooh, let's see what we got. Okay, so here you can enter it by Sol. Obviously, you can do it like by USD amount. Let's try by 5 Sol. Just get the market order. Oh, right, limit order. Limit order it up. Boom. Place 5 Sol 581. That's us here. Okay, cool. It's quick. It's quick. It's as they said, and as they demoed, it's pretty speedy, guys. It's good because I again, as I was saying in the last stream, I've used Zeta before, and I didn't mind it, but it was pretty. Zeta was like a pain in the ass. It was like you hit buy, you had to click like 5 clicks. Sometimes it works, sometimes it didn't work. If it was super busy, it didn't work basically. So this is good. I know this is a test net, but if this is what it's like in prod, then I think it could be. Yeah, I mean it'd be good. I mean I'm obviously biased a little bit because I'm creating content on this platform, but yeah, nonetheless. So they said nonetheless. Nonetheless, we're just testing it. I'm a pretty unbiased guy. I wouldn't say it's good if I thought it was shithouse, but no, so far it's okay. So we just sold 5 Sol, value of this, average entry of this, and then I guess it automatically sets you on 100x leverage, which is freaking aggressive. Oh, you can change it up here. Okay, so you can dial down and up your leverage to increase your maximum bet. I mean, you always kind of want to if I'm being honest, you kind of just want to set it as high as possible because you never want to get stopped out of the trades that you're in. Okay, so they got cross margin, which is good. Cross margin means that like the trades on say your Solana, like if you're in the money on Solana and you're losing money on your Bitcoin, it's going to account for the fact that you've made money on Solana for that Bitcoin position. So what that allows you to do is run sort of long short crypto. So you can be long Solana and short Bitcoin, and it's not gonna be too margin onerous essentially. Hopefully I've explained that well. Oh, cool. We got a J Smooth in the J Smooth in the kick stream, trying to sell me some stuff. J Smooth, shout out, man. Shout out, dude. Man, I'm new to kick. I gotta say, I'm not a big. This is all really new stuff there. So I'm assuming, yeah. Bless you, Rose Pink 62. Professional kick promoter, helping streamers grow. Yada yada yada. Thanks, but not overly keen. Not overly keen. Don't particularly care if I have no followers, actually. Just looking to help anyone who might find some of this stuff interesting, and kind of just like talking to myself sometimes. Bit of a stranger, but here we are. So yeah, okay, back to testing this. Testing this thing out. I think we're almost done. I actually made some fake money just then, which is good. What did I do? I bought and sold and realized 15 cents a P&L, guys. Maker. Fee 0. Okay, so I'm actually curious. What are the Bullet XYZ trading fees? I need to check that out. I'm assuming so. Maker might be free. Maybe they haven't said. Have they said? That's dark somewhere. Design, girls, architecture. Yeah, it's all state database. Whew. Jellyfish, Merkle tree. Yeah, I mean, if you're watching this stream after the fact, I mean, you probably tell I'm not like. I mean, I like crypto for various reasons, but the intricacies of decentralization is not my forte, nor is it sort of at the forefront of what I'm thinking of all the time. But it is good to see. It is good to see decentralized stuff. But I'd be lying if I said it was my main concern. I'm always more concerned about making dosh. So okay, I wonder if I can search. Okay, search. Trading. Just search fees. Tell us fees. Here we fees to do. Okay, well that's interesting. TBD fees. Okay, well we'll just try a market order buy and see how much fees there. How much fees? Okay, so the guys haven't determined how much fees they're going to charge everybody. So that will be TBD'd. It's pretty cool. So as with every DEX, if you will, you can always check out your transaction in the block explorer, and it's got 107 transactions, 66 TP. I mean, that's how quickly the trade executed. Or is that latency? I think latency is how quickly it executes. 4.5 milliseconds. It's pretty quick, guys. Pretty quick. And the transaction hash, and then all the details of what we did. Is that my user address? Is that my? What is that? Is that mine? No, it's not my backpack. Oh, maybe that's the other side. Cancel order. That's strange. Did I cancel order? I didn't cancel order. What the hell that means? Cancel order. You sure? Maybe someone tried to. Actually, I have no idea what the hell that means or why it's telling me that. Cancel. I have no idea. Event number, exchange, place order, user address. Is that me? That's not me. No idea. Bid 2.26. Oh, is this telling me stuff that's not me as well? That's giving me 3. Yeah. Oh, geez. Sorry, guys. I'm not the best blockchain guy. I think this must be one block, or maybe this entire thing is a block containing 4 transactions that roll up into something into the blockchain. If you're a blockchain guy, let me know. Get into the comments and explain how this actually works. But yeah, anyway, long story short, I guess this is my transaction here. That's my user address on Bullet. That's font size 5. Bid. This is interesting. Yeah. Anyway, that's me 5. Side ask, make it true. Realize P&L 0 fee. Yeah, and all the details of it. Transaction hash. Just trying to think. So this is one transaction, and this is saying that when I did that trade, not only did I sell, but obviously someone bought, right? Someone had to have bought. Is it saying this guy bought? False realized P&L. So this guy had to have bought this 9 BC. Oh, okay. So this guy bought this. He bought 5 off me, and then did he buy like another 2,000? Is that what that's saying? Is that right? Let's see, so he bought 5 off me. Did he buy another 2? Was that a cancel? Key place order to size this bid, but this is above the price of where we were trading. Anyway, this is not the most important detail. I'm just curious to see what trying to read and understand this because this might be useful for later when we're building stuff. So then he bought market ID 0, order ID this, limit bid, but it was higher than when the market was in a pretty humongous size as well. Oh, maybe that wasn't above the market. Maybe he's lifted me and then he's put more on. He's put more. He's bid over essentially. That's what we say. Bid over on my price. So yeah, that's interesting. So yeah, so batches all a couple of transactions. So event range of 4. It's good. It's good. Oh, yeah. Someone should do an explainer for plebs like me on how this stuff works. But the gist of it is that it essentially revealed the transactions that we did, and I mean, I guess you can from the blockchain. Obviously, you can always also determine kind of who you're trading against, which will be fun. You can see if you're trading against like Wintermute or something, someone super smart. That would be cool. And I guess that's how, I don't know if you're following crypto Twitter recently, that's how people track James Wynn and those guys. So if I was a big dog, I mean, these guys could have a leaderboard and show you all the big dogs and things like that. So yeah, I mean, it's good. I mean, it's good. I'm going to do a few more transactions actually. Buy 5, so boom. It's good. This is good. I mean, if this is how it is in real, this is like, I like me likey, daddy likey this. If yeah, like this is just, you know, it feels like a centralized exchange. Feels like a centralized exchange, not actual sex. Yeah, I mean, it's quick, it's smooth, and I hate to bag Zeta because they did pay me $3,000 in token drop, but this is a shitload better than Zeta. Liking this more than Zeta. Zeta was a pain in the ass. Zeta was just trading for the sake of trading it because it was a token. Yeah, good stuff. So we've opened about 40 longs. Average entry price 88. So let's just try go in the middle here. 81. Boom. There we go, 15. Good stuff. And you can see my order. Do we want to test anything else? Or they haven't put in the other order type, so you can have like stop loss orders, which they haven't. Oh wait, no. Oh, they've got some here. Okay, cool. So you can you take profit and stop loss you can do here. But I wonder if, just curious. Yeah, question mark to the guys. How do I put just, like sometimes, you know, for example, you just want to do like a sort of stop loss, like you don't actually have a position on. You want to put it like up here in case the market breaks out. And you just want to put it a stop loss without a actual like limit price. So I'm curious as to, do I just, maybe I can use this, but like, what if I don't have a position at all and I just want to put a stop loss order so I can get a quick execution? Is that gonna, you know, can I do that? So like a limit buy, yeah, it's kind of what I want. But I'm on 66. I'm on 66. Yeah, question mark. So it's good. That was a little bit not laggy, but not super quick, but quick enough. So I'm like, let's just. Oh, I gotta quickly buy 50. Oh. Boom. Did I get him? No, I didn't get him. Now, is that because try quickly. Did I get that? There's 83s. Oh, what the hell is that? Trade history. I must have got those. Okay, cool. Take it 83. Just sell them back out. Oh, so I gotta sell. Oh, quickly, gotta sell. Does it work? Cool. Did I get the 74s? Recent trades, 74s. Cool. And I got them as well. Okay, cool. Must have down money. Okay, cool. That's cool. And obviously we lost money because we bought and sold. Bought high, sold low. Okay, good. This is good. And obviously they're going to give us a, oh, actually, yeah, I wonder. We're going to need some sort of API key if we want to build a bot. Actually, I didn't think about that one. Okay. Anyway, that's the main functionality. Oh, I didn't put my screen cursor on, guys. Sorry. Oh no, didn't put the screen cursor on. You wouldn't know what the hell I've been doing. Oh no. Okay. Well, anyway, I mean, you've been seeing us click in and out of this this bad boy Bullet XYZ that we've been trying out. It's quick. It's quick. It feels good. Feels very good. Yeah, I'll just do, for prosperity's sake, because I didn't have my screen cursor on, I'll do one more trade, just because I want to splice this this live stream up into clips. Let's do a mega trade. Can we do a mega trade? Let me get rid of this. 500 sold. That's okay. We can't do mega trades. Let's just do 10. Let's just keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Boom. Yeah. See, that was not. Oh, maybe that was quick. Maybe the load screen. They need sounds. That's another thing, guys. If you're listening to this stream, which I'm sure you're not, but if you are, by any chance, you need sounds. You need sounds. Or maybe do I have my sounds turned off? I don't want to turn the computer sounds on because it'll F up the stream. But if there aren't sounds, please put some sounds on. We need sounds to know that we actually did stuff. Okay, let's try sell it back out. Bam, bam. Did it again? Cool. So yeah, I don't know if that's just the notifications that are slow-ish. But nonetheless, I mean, that's pretty quick. It's pretty quick. Like I'm hitting this price, hitting sell, and it's like, you know, I don't know. Feels quick. Like that was quick. That was really quick. The one before that was a little bit slow. Felt a little bit slow. You know. That felt quick. That felt quick. Try one more time. Boom. Buy. You know. So I will say much better than Zeta. Gotta say that. Much better than Zeta. Boom. Feels great. Okay, one last thing I am going to support. Discord. One last thing, I'm going to try to see if I can get an API key. Because I want, yeah, we want to build a bot on this bad boy. And I guess I need to get me the old, get me old cursor, baby. Cursor out here. Yeah. What we want to do is find out the dealio is with the API key. You know, I'm sure once this thing hits prod, or once it becomes an actual exchange, it'll be super easy to get your API keys. It'll be a matter of clicks, not randomly trying to hack away at the back end of their front end GUI. But nonetheless, we are hacking. So what we want to do when you're doing the stuff, just try execute a trade. Boom. Then I'm just going to try find that trade. It's not going to be the easiest thing. 5.7. It's not going to be the easiest thing. Could be injected JS. So we're going to just try find 1.7.7. Nope. yeah, this is tough because it's also constantly updating. I need to find something that's like a buy order essentially. This could be this. It could be this. Is it this? Data address, size, cost of trade. I don't know what the hell that is. I feel like it's this. It's definitely not that. Is it this? Size 40. Okay, no, this is like, so this is good. We'll keep a note of this. I'm gonna go back to my cursor, put some new file, notes.md. I feel like this is like, this is like get your account, like positions. You can tell you your address, obviously, your positions, client orders, so on and so forth. But I want to see if we can find the API to get the like actually execute a buy order. Just trying to eyeball. So this is definitely not it. This is just your account. What is it? Yeah, like the information in your account. All right. Yeah, I'll do something. 69. So okay, don't do that. 30. 19. Odd enough number at this price by 19 sol. TXX. Is that it? I feel like this is it. Gas used. Cool. This is it. This is what we want now. If I could stop this freaking page from loading. Now we just chuck this into Gemini. So payload. Assuming this will be like, this could be our API key. If you're watching this, you want to hack my test account, that's yeah, I can't be joking around like that. All right, let's get Gemini on this bad boy. Gemini this bad boy up. Put this house screen here. Get him on Gemini. Do I want new chat? No. I'm trying to find my API key to execute bad boy orders, execute orders. Just one sec, guys. Gotta answer something. Anyway. Moving on. Okay. Yeah, so yeah. Trying to find an API to execute orders. This is the call. Boom. Then payload. I'm assuming, I reckon this is going to be, this is the payload. This is the result. Can you write Python script in Jupyter to execute buy order? All right, I'm gonna chuck that at Gemini and see how we go. decent screen mode. So annoying with Gemini, it doesn't let you read. I'd like to read as you're producing, please. But it cannot do that. Let's go. Of course, it seems there's a slight misunderstanding how this transaction is decent. Unlike traditional, cryptically signed transaction with your wallet's private key long string. Body of your payload is not just the order date, it's the order date that has been serialized into a specific byte. The server verifies confirm the request thickly from because this person involves a private key and complex serialization. Doesn't make it really simple. You need to use a library, an SDK that knows how to format and sign the transaction. Script view that out. Script use placeholder. Okay, so we're gonna need an SDK. Do they have a bullet? So they have an SDK for Zeta. Damn. So I don't know how the hell anyone else is testing. How all the hell are all the market makers testing this bad boy out? So updating on Feb or June. Yeah, I doubt this is gonna work. Wonder, does Bullet have a GitHub? GitHub? Excellent. Media kit docs. So I guess they're probably just told, well, that's disappointing. That's freaking disappointing. Bullet SVM. Oh, so we can't just. I wonder what this is going to lead us to. Swagger UI. I don't know what the hell that is. Fair enough. I guess we need to wait until they. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I'm too used to centralized exchanges where you just grab a API key and then you can sort of just start running wild from there. You're gonna need to. What's it saying? What's Gemini saying? Yeah, we're gonna need to wait for them. Yes, now I remember from my DeFi days. You're gonna need to wait for them to, because it needs to like encrypt every message you send to the exchange. It needs to encrypt in and of itself. That makes sense. I wonder if we can backsolve the private key. The private key, I remember I'm pretty sure you can get it, grab it yourself. This could be a complex process though. Maybe a video for another day where we look to backsolve. I mean, the thing is, we're doing all this on the testnet, and they're probably going to, in due course time, I'm sure the guys are going to probably build out a really easy way to do all of this without having to, complexly configure everything. But this comes with critical security. Yes, this is for development purposes. Yes, okay, we're not actually playing with money. Open backpack browser function. Okay, so we can do it. We can do it, guys. We can do it. All right, type my password. Type hit. No. I actually realized. Yeah, so I definitely can't use this this wallet because I've literally typed my password on a live stream with my keyboard, so I'm sure anyone can hack me. That's good to know. Actually, you got to be careful. I don't think I've done anything too crazy. Okay, so click on the network selector menu on the top left. You might choose. Show private key. Okay, here we go. Type my password again that you guys can back solve, although no one's watching this stream. So, oh, and there's my private key. Okay, don't worry, guys. We're definitely not using this wallet ever again, so it's all good. So this is my private. Enter your password. After copying the key, you can set it as your my key variable. Okay, this is my private key. Can you now build code to? Yeah, I wonder if this is actually going to work. It's got your private key. Still feel like it's going to need to know how to. That being said, I guess if you can do it in the GUI, the front end UI, yeah, maybe we're going to be okay. Ooh. But final code now. Still going to need the SDK. So we still need the SDK. I think the DX, DX SDK. DX and SDKs. Hyperliquid SDK. So we need this. This is kind of what we need from the guys. I just wonder, I mean, let's go ChatGPT. All right. So ChatGPT's got the goods. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to be able to do it. This doesn't look promising. Dummy payload. Custom facility format is bought to encode the market order. You'll need to exact binary format. Open source repo API docs. You can reverse engineer the payload based on. How would I do this? Yeah. Capture a working payload. So it's saying, oh, we got rid of it. Oh, fuck. So we did have the payload. Payload we gave it as this. This is the payload here. But how do we decode it? What do we actually do with that? Did give it the payload, decode the payload. It's going to decode it. I wonder if it's going to be able to work in it. AI is so smart. I would never have been able to do any of this. So we need something about the payload. We need to really make sure we capture it at work. Change actions, payload. Is there more? It's just that. New source. Okay. Is that going to give us more? These were the headers. What else have we got? Just give it everything. This is in preview. Send another order of one change. Share both payloads. Okay. AI is so smart. So much smarter than us all. So just do that. Stuff is exhilarating. Okay. Let's do so this is kind of painful. We're gonna have to slowly change, small small bits of information and feed it in. Feed it. So yeah, but don't worry guys, I mean, they're gonna give us an SDK, they will do it, I'm sure. That I am sure. wonder if this is actually going to work. Is AI smart enough to figure this out? Ooh. Or is AI just simply hallucinating the shit out of this? Market ID, what is that? Do side. I'm gonna do side one more time. I feel like we're gonna really need to. This is like really gonna be quite painful to figure it all out. Shit, why is there a different response as well? Did I sell? Yep. I have a sneaking suspicion this is not going to work. What a type market ID. I don't know what market ID. I don't know what the hell. Well, market ID must be Solana, but that's like that feels like a okay. To market. One. I got a feeling the AI is just hallucinating the shit out of this. Yeah. Market ID. I feel like we need to do market ID. Just this could work. It might not work. We will see. We will see. At the end of the day, the GUI, this front-end UI, knows what to do. So, you know. This GUI, will it know what the hell it needs to do? Okay, let's give it a run. Let's give it a run this scratch pad. Yeah, I think this is we're gonna have to pull stumps on this. This is, yeah, this is not gonna work. Yeah, this is gonna be too hard. I wonder how all the market makers are doing it. I don't know how they feed it all out. Freaking geniuses. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna take some time, guys, so I'll do it in another stream. But yeah, that was me testing out the Bullet XYZ exchange. It's, yeah, gotta say, good things. I'm gonna give it a 8.2 out of 10. All right, thanks guys.